Welcome back. So the last video, I think I was saying I had a few bits and pieces to do, but two of those bits and pieces was the just checking the suspension strut mounting point. One of them had a repair, the other one looked like it needed a repair, so I'm just going to show you them. One's much worse than the other, which is really annoying, and it just makes me think, how much further do I need to go? So yeah, I'll just show you them quick, then I'm just going to get on with them. So we'll do the first one that I cut out. Where's the torque? So if you remember, that was the passenger side, was just a bit pitted. So, but obviously it was, you can see it needed doing. So what I've done, I've cut the section out there, put a load of cure rust on it. But also it has gone through a little bit there, you see. So what I'll probably do is just cut a tidy section out of that, get the plate on the inner wing side, and then just try and get a bit back on there. So this side is rusted through on this section here, so I was just going to cut that out because that looks, because they'd obviously done the repair, but I thought I'd just cut out. So that was the repair that had been done, but you can see my problem here. Yeah, not helpful. So, and then it gets worse. So the, what's that called? Bulkhead. Yeah, bulkhead structure. It's obviously gone a bit further than I'd liked on there. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. So I just thought I'd show you that. I'll probably just bring you in a few stages, and yeah, see how we go with that. But that is a nightmare. It just makes you think, how far in that way and that way does that rust go? And that's really frustrating. The last thing I wanted to do was cut any more of this out. But it looks like I think I'm going to have to. I'll have a look at behind this, try and clean this up a bit and see if I can get a plate in there. But that is not what I wanted to see. Right, just thought I'd show you that. So it's actually really good inside there. It's just obviously water or moisture has been getting between the two and just eating away at it. So I'm just going to put a load of cure rust inside there anyway, and on the backs of here, that's the plate I took out. It's not too bad on the back really, but yeah, at least I managed to salvage. So hopefully I should be able to, there's enough on there. It seems quite thick, I'm saying that, to be able to get something welded on there. So I'll give that a go, and then I can obviously make the patch for the outer section then. But yeah. Right, so just a bit of an update. So I'm just going to show you these stages. So I've done the repair there. Kevin, Pocket Rocket. Yeah, I'm getting there, mate. Getting there. Thanks for all the tips. I'll be almost as good as you in a few weeks. Yeah, so I've repaired that little bit there. I've put the piece in there. It's not pretty. It is fully welded to everything, so it's solid. Not pretty, but I'm just going to put some cure rust on this, and then I'm going to make the plate for this and the other side and get them welded on. Right, so obviously I've repaired that. I've cut the plate for it now. I have weld through primer that side, and I've just sprayed some weld through primer over that. So then I'll obviously weld that on. Welded that plate on. It's not the prettiest, but once I clean it up, hopefully you'll not see that. So yeah, so I'll get the other one welded on and cleaned up, and then just show you the final. That's done. So I'm just going to show you what I've done, or the final thing. I don't know where my torch is, sorry. Yeah, so that side's all done and primed, and then just got to put the old little finger tool on it, but you'll never know that's there. So that is, I think that is, I've got a few little bits to weld inside the where the floor meets the door aperture, and then I can get it on the spit. So the next thing will be get it on the spit, sort out any little tidy up bits of welding, spot welds, plug welds and so on, and then I could start prepping. So I'm not at that stage yet. I'm a bit, I think there's just little bits and pieces to do once I've turned it over. It's just, yeah, stuff to clean up inside, so I don't, so I haven't got to do that once I have sprayed and Gravitex the bottom, because otherwise it's going to burn through. So yeah, that'll be the next thing. So that's pretty much it for the welding, which is good. I'm there, done it.